we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Gejok16x24 Pneumatic Dual Platen Heat Press, with portability stand-up sliding function, that's include Advanced 16x24 design. Experience high-efficiency printing with our dual platen, up-sliding pneumatic heat press machine, perfect for large-format sublimation tasks. Digital control and automation. This automatic heat press boasts a big LCD display with integrated controls for temperature, time, and counter settings to streamline your printing process. Versatile printing capabilities. Whether you're pressing pure cotton, polyester, chemical fiber, pearl board, metal pendant, mouse pad, glass, ceramic, or complex materials, this 16x24 heat press can handle a wide range of applications with its customizable settings. Portability stand heat press machine with base frame for much stable printing and easy movement with the brake caster. Pneumatic heat press transfer machine makes machine more convenient for printing. T-shirt printing machine is more accurate for small items printing. Heat press machine powered by an air compressor, not included. Each feature of the dual platen heat press is designed with precision and ease of use in mind. The large LCD display ensures you can monitor and adjust settings with ease, while the up-sliding function adds an extra layer of convenience, making garment placement simple and safe. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.